Hello, this is Sarah Reed here, and I'm a digital learning specialist in the Fort Worth Independent School District. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Canva to create an animated GIF that you can use for your Jamboard backgrounds. So to get started, I'm going to go ahead. I have signed in to Canva, and I am actually using the Canva Education account, which actually gives me a lot more options under the Elements feature and also Photos. So if you have not signed up, you will need to go to canva.com/education. And once you get there, you can register and they give you information about how to sign up. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to create an animated GIF, and I'm going to show you by creating this as a presentation or use a presentation template. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to choose Create a Design, and I'm going to choose Presentation. Once I have selected the presentation option, I'm going to go ahead and choose this particular template. I like it because it's got the yellow and black background. I'm going to go ahead and select the first one. And again, I can change all these elements. So if you're not familiar with Canva, all of these are just elements that have been placed on the presentation. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take this off because I want to use this for Jamboard, and I want to have this as kind of a generic background. But I would like to have some things that are animated in this. Now I'm going to come over here, and I could animate it here, but that's actually animating the entire presentation. And so if I use that, you'll notice that things will appear onto the screen if I choose the different animated options. Again, I don't really want to use that, but that is available, so don't get confused with animate here versus what I'm fixing to show you. Over on the left-hand side, I'm going to go ahead and click on Elements, and I'm going to look for a Bumblebee Animate. All right, and let's see. I'm not seeing one that will work, but maybe if I look up a bee. Okay. All right, so there's a bee right there. It's not really the bee that I wanted, but I'm going to go ahead and select that anyway. I'm going to go ahead and click on it, and I'm going to move it over here, and I'm going to resize it. Okay. And then maybe let's say I want to put a flower. So I want a flower. Flower might be have better options. Yeah, they got a lot more options to choose from. So I'm going to come over here, and maybe I like this one here, so I'm going to add that as well. And again, you can keep adding your animations based upon what you want your final background to look like. But when you're completely done with this, then you're going to come up here to the download option. And by default, it's going to come up as an MP4, but I would like to make this a GIF. So I'm going to click on GIF. I'm going to go ahead and call this Test Background. And I'm going to hit Download. I'm going to choose GIF like I explained before, and I'm going to hit Download. And it's going to prepare my background as long as all the images were available for me to use for this project. They were not paid images or elements. Okay, it downloaded to my download folder. Now I'm going to go ahead and open up a Jamboard. I'm going to go ahead and click on the plus sign to start a new jam. It'll give me my blank frame, and I'm going to hit Set Background. I'm going to come over here to Image. I'm going to go and browse my computer to go to my download folder, and I'm going to locate that test background. Hit Open. And voila, I have my background in my frame. And yes, you can see because it is animated, they are going to continue animating in the background as the students work or as you use this for a presentation. I would encourage you to take a look at Canva and kind of explore all the different options yourself and see what kind of creations you can come up with. I hope this quick tip helps. Have a great day.